Take a moment to settle in to a comfortable position and allow your shoulders to soften, unclench your jaw, and allow your breathing to become slow and natural. Today's Reiki session is focused on gently cleansing your aura, releasing heavy energy and creating a peaceful space around you. There is nothing you need to do, nothing you need to force. Simply allow yourself to receive this moment of calm. As I begin moving this healing energy towards you, imagine a warm, gentle light surrounding your entire body. This light is soft, comforting, and completely peaceful. With every slow breath in, imagine fresh, clean energy filling your body. And with every breath out, imagine any heaviness, stress, or emotional tension slowly drifting away. I'm gently smoothing the energy around your head, removing anything that no longer serves you. Across your forehead, around your temples, behind your ears. Everything becomes lighter. Now allowing that peaceful energy to flow down your throat, your shoulders, and your chest. Any pressure you've been carrying, you no longer need to hold. Imagine your aura becoming brighter, clearer, expanding gently around you. Soft, light, peaceful, and protected. Rest. Any stagnant energy simply dissolves like mist disappearing in the morning sunlight. You are left feeling calm, balanced, and refreshed. Take another slow, deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Allow this peaceful feeling to settle into every part of your body. Notice how relaxed your muscles feel, how quiet your mind has become. Your energy feels lighter, your space feels calmer, and your aura feels renewed. Carry this peaceful feeling with you for the rest of your day, or allow it to gently guide you into a restful sleep. thank you for spending this time with me. You may leave this session feeling calm, grounded, and surrounded by peace. Take one final deep breath in, and when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. I thank you for being here with me. Until the next time, have a blessed day.